So next numbers given are 12 and 14. So what are the multiples of 12? They are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, it goes on. Okay, now multiples of next is 168. Okay, multiples of 14. What are the multiples of 14? They are, so these are multiples of 12. Okay, multiples of 14 are 14, 28. You are adding 12. If you don't know the multiples of 14, what you have to do, you will write 14. 14 plus 14 is 28. 28 plus 10 is 38. 38 plus 4 will be 42. Okay, then 42, 52 plus 4, 56, like that. Okay, 56, 66, 70, then 84, 94, 98, then 108 plus 4, 112, 122 plus 4, 126, then 126 plus 126 plus 4, 126, no, 126, 136 plus 4, 140, 154, then 164, 168, and it goes on. Okay, now the common multiples. Now what are the common multiples? These are big numbers, right? Now let us start. 12, no. 28, see here. 36, no. 48, no. 60, no. 70, 72, no. 84, yes, 84 is there. Okay, the first number as common is 84. Okay, next 96. Is 96 here? No. 108 here? No. 120 here? 132 here? No. 154 here? No. 156 here? No. 168 here? Yes, 168. Next common is 168. That means what will you get as LCM? You will get LCM is equal to, if you get just one number, the first number you get in common will be the LCM, right? So LCM is 84. Okay, is it clear? That is, first you have written the multiples, not just 12 into 10. After 12 into 10 also we have written, right? 12 into 14 till 14 we wrote. 12 into 14 till 12 into 14 we wrote. We got the second common. Before that we got one common, right? Common multiple. Then as an LCM we got what? 84. Is it clear? Now I have done 4 of the questions. In second question, find the LCM of the following. The rest 4 you will do as homework. Okay, children? So children, second question, these 4 questions I have done. The rest, these 4 you will do as homework. Okay, the questions I am ticking. Okay, these 4 you will do as homework. Okay, now let us go to the third question. Tick the set of numbers whose LCM is the greatest of the given numbers. Cross the other set. So here they have given 3 numbers, 9, 3 and 18. So here what 18 is the LCM. You know why? Because 18 is a multiple of 3 and 9. Okay. So if a number the greatest number is a multiple of the other two smaller numbers, then that will be the LCM. Okay. If there are 3 numbers, okay, and if there are 2 numbers, the second number which is the multiple will be the what? LCM, right? Now here there are given 2 numbers, 12 and so that is the condition. If one of the number is a multiple of the others, okay, then only that this condition is applied. LCM is the greatest of the given numbers, okay. So here 12, second set is 12 and 16. Here is 16 is the biggest number. What bigger number? 16 is 16 a multiple of 12? No, that means that condition doesn't apply here. So cross it. Okay. Next 22 and 75. Here the bigger number is 75. Is 75 a multiple of 22? No. Here also the condition doesn't apply. Now here the bigger number is 30. Is 30 a multiple of 2? Yes, 2 into 15 is 30. And is 30 a multiple of 6? Yes, 6 into 5 is 30. That means 30 will be the LCM. Okay, so here tick it. Next one, 20, 30 and 40. The bigger number is 40, right? So 40, is 40 a multiple of 20? Yes, 20 into 2 is 40. Is 40 a multiple of 30? No, 40 is not a multiple of 30, right? So what? That condition 40 will not be the LCM. Okay, so what will you do? You will cross here. So here only 2 set of numbers are having will apply that condition, right? Which condition? LCM is the greatest of the given numbers. Okay. Next, tick the set of numbers whose LCM is their product. Okay. So here 2 numbers are given. The first set is 6 and 7. What is the LCM? 6 and 7, the LCM will be 6 into 7. What is it? 42. 42 will be the LCM. Now here 18, 2 and 4 have been given. So what is the LCM of this set of numbers? Can you apply that condition here? No, you cannot apply that condition here, right? 18 into 2 is 36 and 36 into 4 is that won't be the LCM. That is not going to be the LCM. Okay, so here put a cross here. Next here, what is the number here? 3, 7 and 8. This condition applies only if the numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay, here 18 is the LCM, is their product will be applicable only when the numbers are co-prime numbers. Here 18 is not a co-prime number, so that condition doesn't apply. Okay, now 3, 7 and 8. 3, 7 and 8. Here 3, 7 and 8. Does that condition apply over here? 3 into 7 is 21, right? 21 into 8. Yes, that condition can be applied here. So you will tick here. Okay. Next one, 14, 12 and 6. Can you apply the condition that the product will be the LCM? No, you cannot apply that. Why? These numbers are not co-prime numbers. To cross it. Next one, 15 and 16. 15 and 16. Can you apply the condition that the product will be the co-prime number? No, the product will be the LCM. Can you apply that condition? Let us see. Okay. So children, 15 and 16 are co-prime numbers, right? So what the LCM will be? Their product, 15 into 16. So put a tick here. Okay. Now let us see. Write the LCM of the following numbers by just observing them. Write the appropriate reason for your answer. 3, 6, 12. 12, they have given a column here. 3, 6, 12 is the set. and LCM is 12. Why? 12 is a multiple of, reason we are writing 12 is a multiple of 3 and 6. Now 6 and 5. 30 is the LCM. Why? 6 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Next one, 11 and 10. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 110. Okay, why? 11 and 10 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers.